I know cousin like, dang, why you yell? It's like when I'm always on camera. Y'all know how I act. Well, I act like this, period. But just because I'm talking to y'all, I gotta be extra hype. So let me go ahead and take my puff and let Leek be the savage boy, like how he savage boy. Ain't nothing changed about me. Ain't nothing changed about me. Everything's still flowing. So let me give y'all a quick update what's going on. So, 3rd month, me being here. How I like it is good so far. This is the trenches. When I say trenches, you get the good with the bad here, but the bad outweighs the good. You gotta have it in you to seek it through, so that way you see the good side, and that's where I'm at with things. Just been doing a lot of projects, bunch of projects. As you can see, this A6s on here getting prepped up for the engine to go back inside. It's like with this job, when you running your own setup, your situation, renting space, whatever you're doing, you got your own type of business coming in, you pretty much gonna run into little problems, whereas it always come down to manpower. I think that's that's definitely that's a big ass factor for us mechanics when you out here doing your own thing, is manpower. I think somebody called me. I have like a lot of customers. I always gotta stop what I'm doing, work on another car. How many cars I banged out since you been here? I banged out a lot of cars. I really don't even think about it. Done like a lot of engines. This man banged here with me. This is my cousin, Kid Culture, trying to get him to start up a YouTube channel. Hopefully, I rub on him the right way. Pause, no homo. But we gonna get him up to speed. Y'all gonna see him more in the video. His brother is, if you guys been following me since like day one, his brother Sean. I always call him little cousin in the video, but that's his brother. These two are brothers. You guys don't know this reason, whatever. Everybody brothers up in here, but yeah, you guys gonna be seeing him more often. So, what else? So I ain't worrying about that. I gotta do what I can, but I got plenty of time on this, so this car stays in the back burner because I got plenty of time to get it done. But I still have to get other jobs done, and I'm only one man, and I still have to produce money here at the end of the day or whatever. I know y'all like, Dave, why you smoking? Why you doing this? Why you talking that? Why you talking that? Matter of fact, we just gonna edit that part out, because I know a couple YouTube, y'all just gonna be searching. Let me see where he at. Let me get him fired. So I guess I'm gonna just edit out where I work at. So let me say it again. I started a dealership job, and how I like it there is like me being in the trenches. And I worked at the dealership before. I worked at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably like the 6th dealership I worked at, whatever. Me, I'm a resourceful person because I came around the block. So when somebody like me do stuff like this behind closed curtains, and then I come on stage and I really see no offense, the master tech in the shop, he ain't got nothing on me. That's all I got to say at the end of the day. And I'm being cocky about it, I'm being arrogant and cool, but it's a true fact. So
you should.
And because I feel like a king when I do this, man. I really be in the trenches, really doing this. I love what I do. I study hard, I work hard, I read a lot. I got a lot of technical experience. I've been doing this car stuff since I was about 15, 16 years old. Got into my first shop and getting into a shop, in a professional matter. I was 19 when I got my had tires, doing tires and brakes and alignments and stuff like that there. So I've been doing this for a little minute. I'm 31 now, but I'm allowed to be cocky. At the dealership I'm at, is a lot of maintenance stuff. You get, of course, you get your typical oil change, tires, brakes, always brakes and tires, rotations, whatever, a crap load of oil changes, state inspection. I just got my license back a month ago, so my next process is to get my state inspection license, because they tied in together. You can't have one without the other. You gotta have both to get both. So I gotta go get that. because you know if you don't have your state inspection license, you lose money on whatever. But the discussion I had, I had all of them canceled before, but I had my license suspended for over a year and a half now, 17 months to be exact. But I had it before, cool, whatever. But I'm that dude. I always like to do the jobs that don't nobody like doing, or the big ass technical jobs and stuff. So for me to have state inspection is obsolete. In my eyes, what the hell do you need somebody like me with a particular skill set to be worrying about some goddamn state inspection? I'm being honest with you. Somebody like me, you need to utilize me for what I can do. That's how you make money off me. Give me stuff that look like this. It ain't no way in hell I should be in the dealership. I'm doing, look, all these jobs that they tossing me. I did a torque converter job, whatever. I did enough job. Motherfuckers try to come over and be like, oh, Leek, you need help. Let me show you how to do this. Let me show you what my way is. Let me da-da-da-da-da. I already had to check a couple people, more so one person in particular, and I had to tell him, bro, I got my own shit. I got my own setup. I made it clear when I said that. I got my own setup. I do my own thing. I've been fixing cars for years. All I do is big jobs. So I understand that you're trying to help me. But I don't want I don't need help from nobody. And I just keeps like, maybe he felt some type of way, because those ones are my exact words. I probably was hard. Sometimes I just talk directly and it just be nothing and I don't even thinking about it. I just be direct. But he walked away. He ain't really say nothing after I said what I said to him and a couple other people, whatever. But it ain't nothing you can show me in the dealership, because I've been around the block. I'm see me cutting rotors. You want to try to come over and try to show me how to cut rotors, but you don't even know how to use the brake lathe yourself, on car or bench. I can use both. I'm being honest with you. That's just me. I had a dealership. Let me show you how to do an alignment. What the hell are you coming over to show me how to do an alignment when I know how to do an alignment? It's like I'm 31 and I remember going into the dealership. I was young. I was very young. So they feel like because you're young, like they might think that I am young because I might look younger than them or whatever. But I gotta make it clear to them that y'all get out of here. To me, y'all think that y'all Superman, but y'all work on one product. I work on anything. Then two, I shouldn't have to keep stressing my technical skill set to people. I took a break, maybe a 2-week break, because my son got here. Think some space, took time from off of work. They understand what I'm going through. So I'll probably most likely come back to work Monday. But we got to get sort of situated with the baby. Jasmine got her diaper bag already suited and booted. I got to go get my diaper bag suited and booted. I brought my diaper bag. It's in her car, so I got to figure out what's needed. For the most part, the job as a father just got 50 times more harder. And definitely it's got to be time invested to make this work. And I'm definitely looking to invest my time to make it work. I love my son. From the first time he came, it was just like a experience. I don't even know how to like really explain it to people, but it was like right away, you just love him. Just like that. You look at him and be like, dang, I did this, or we did this, not to be selfish, but I felt like my father because my father's not here, so, I felt like my dad might have sent them down for me to have a junior. That's something I always wanted. Or I don't know if it was set up in this fate for it to happen. Life happens for a reason, and I'm about to fall. Life happens for a reason. I'm glad this happened. So I'm gonna love this boy. My daughter, I'm gonna make sure they close, and my stepson as well. I gotta make sure everybody is good. So it's like work is definitely, everybody know I'm a workaholic. I'm always at work. I gotta learn how to balance the father thing in between, and that's going to be my hardest task for me, because I feel like this is my money maker, this is my grind, this is my way of living. So if I was not be here, I had to shut down for not and this was a big sacrifice. I'll do anything for my kids. So my son, I shut basically I stopped doing work for like maybe like 3-4 days pretty much. All because I needed that run to get, hey, my son just got here. Like it ain't nothing I can do. This is part of life. And I understand business is business, but this is definitely family problems, and you definitely gotta think, luckily I got customers and they understand, and I talk to them. So pretty much I was out of, at the time we went to the hospital. Since then I haven't worked out 3-4 days. So, and yesterday was like, Monday was like my first day back, and I gotta balance it. I gotta figure it out. For the most part, the job as me being a father, like I said, got 50 times more harder in a good way to put me in perspective of how I need to be working, being very punctual, being very strict or whatever. So it's a lot. It's definitely a lot going on. So I ain't gonna keep rambling to y'all about what's going on or whatever. I just figured I'd just do a quick update and let y'all know what's up and everything. So those who won't be following me on YouTube, y'all can follow me. Just hit my subscribe button. I'm at 13,000 subscribers already. Basically, me getting to 20-something thousand subscribers is definitely getting there, coming there this year. I'm still making money on YouTube. Nothing changes for what I get every month, and to just be taking time off of YouTube for like a couple months and not posting I guess I'm doing good with 3.5 million channel views all together for all the 250 videos I posted. In total I got over 3.5 million views, so I guess I'm doing good. I know I need to keep bringing content. I want to do how-to videos, but y'all just got to take the good with the bad with me. If you want to enjoy my vlogs, cool. If you want to just sit around, wait till I do my how-to videos, cool. I got videos that when people search, I come up, and it is what it is. So I'm Leekautorepair. Y'all want to send me stuff to my P.O. box, it's Malik. You can put Malik, Leekautorepair, parentheses, P.O. box number 4, Lansdowne, PA 19050. Y'all can follow me on Instagram, same as my YouTube name. Whatever y'all want to donate me, Cash App, all that, whatever, however you want to do. I try to use the Patreon thing. I guess it don't work, but I do have maybe like a PayPal. Maybe I can set up something like a donation link, but I got Cash App, so if y'all want to leave that. Anybody want to send me some product reviews, little code readers, make sure I got live data and read ABS and all of that, and airbags. So that's the only way I probably review stuff. Other than that, I don't want that cheesy stuff y'all be trying to get me. That's not me. Just keep it that. Anybody got car questions or whatever, y'all can email me at leekautorepair@gmail.com, and I'm gonna get out this thing. I'll highlight y'all in the next video. So hopefully next time y'all see me, probably be another update, or I'll probably try to get another how-to video, because those are the ones that make me my money, the how-to videos, and it's been months since I did them. So pretty much getting fat over here, taking a break, and just let y'all know what's what. So I gotta get back to my grind, try to get this Audi together, so that way I can pull in the Jeep Cherokee, 2015 Jeep Cherokee. I gotta take an engine out of that. Maybe I'll do a walkthrough with that, because ain't nobody got no content on that. So that's pretty much makes me a trendsetter. And I know if I post a video like that, people definitely gonna look it up. That's gonna be more money in my pocket. So I'll holler at y'all.